Welcome to the PrepNet, presented every Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time on Talk2Me's Channel 14. Come join us to discuss everything about prepping and hear what others have done. Sanitation Part 2. Disclaimer: this presentation discusses sanitation, human waste disposal, disease prevention, and hygiene during emergency situations. Some topics may be unpleasant or uncomfortable for some listeners. We'll finish up with our toilet options and start with Option 3, bucket toilets. The 5-gallon bucket toilet is one of the simplest and most popular preparedness sanitation systems. Basic setup: 5-gallon bucket, toilet seat lid, trash bags or liners, and absorbent material. Common absorbent materials include sawdust, wood shavings, cat litter, peat moss, dirt, shredded paper, and dry leaves. The absorbent material helps reduce odor, cover waste, absorb moisture, and discourage insects. Bucket toilets are cheap, simple, require minimal supplies, work almost anywhere, and are easy to build. But they also have disadvantages, including requiring proper disposal planning, odor potentially developing, bags possibly failing, and being less comfortable for some people. For many preparedness plans, bucket toilets are one of the best backup options. Option 4, composting toilets. Composting toilets are designed to biologically break down waste. Some are commercially manufactured, while others are homemade. They often use ventilation systems, dry compost materials, separation systems, and natural decomposition. Composting toilets use very little water, can reduce odor when managed properly, work well for long-term off-grid living, and are environmentally friendly. They also have disadvantages, including greater complexity, required maintenance, slow composting times, potential health hazards if operated improperly, and higher initial costs. Composting toilets are popular in cabins, tiny homes, remote homesteads, or long-term off-grid living. Human waste composting requires careful management. Improper composting can spread disease. Option 5, pit latrines. Pit latrines, or outhouses, have been used worldwide for centuries. Basic concept: dig a hole, place a structure or seat above it, cover waste periodically with dirt or ash. Important considerations: must be far from water sources, avoid flood zones, soil type matters, depth matters, and groundwater levels matter. Pit latrines are low-tech, require no plumbing, work well in many rural areas, and can serve as a long-term sanitation solution. In fact, most rural homes in Alaska have outhouses. Their disadvantages include difficulty in frozen ground or rocky terrain, odor control challenges, insect problems, and the risk of contaminating groundwater if improperly placed. General recommendation: pit latrines should usually be located downhill and away from wells, streams, lakes, gardens, or living areas. Option 6, chemical toilets. Chemical toilets use disinfectants and chemicals to reduce odor and partially break down waste. These are common in portable toilets, RVs, boats, and construction sites. Chemical toilets are familiar, portable, and provide better odor control, but they require chemicals, still need waste disposal, and have limited capacity. They are usually better suited for short-term emergencies. Elderly and disabled sanitation needs. Some individuals may require bedside commodes, adult diapers, bedpans, urinals, lift assistance, or accessible toilet setups. Mobility limitations can make sanitation much more difficult during emergencies. Preparedness plans should account for caregiver fatigue, supply consumption, waste disposal needs, and cleaning requirements. Toilet paper shortages are common during disasters. Having a stock of toilet paper will make your life easier during an emergency. During COVID, the paper storage did not affect us. In fact, no shortage affected us. Alternatives may include baby wipes, washcloths, paper towels, newspaper, and natural materials. Important: reusable cloth systems require careful washing, disinfection, drying, and separation from food preparation areas. Toilets are only one part of staying sanitary during a disaster. Next week, we'll start discussing the rest of the sanitation issues that affect health and survival. If you have any questions about what we have discussed here or anything about prepping, send your question to prepnetch14@gmail.com and enter question in the subject line.